Now we're installing a cartridge. This is a SV16 cartridge on an acorn. As you can tell, it has markings cold. The other side is hot, has an H. So the hot side always goes on the left hand side. And it sets in very well, very well. Sets in pretty good. Then you sit there and you put the little bonnet on it. Slides right in. There you go. And then you put the cap. And you just screw it on. You do a hand tighten, and then you do it with channel locks. You just give it a little snug. You don't want to have it over tightened. Now you put your little stops. And then you put your little pin. Sorry. Sometimes that pin can be a little pain in the butt. As long as you put it in the little slot, you're good to go. And it has a little slot right here that it goes in. Once you know that you're in, you're in. And then you just put your trim and everything back together, and then you test it. Sometimes those little screws can be a pain in the butt, but as long as you get them in the hole and tighten them up, you'll be good to go. That's how it's done, guys. Just put the trim cap on, put the little last screw on, and you're good to go. Test everything, make sure that everything's working properly, and if you need to adjust your hot and cold settings, well, you can just come right here and twist it, and you can adjust it with these little things right there. Keep on turning it until the water turns off. Ain't nothing to it. And if y'all have any requests, just feel free to let me know.